Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 12, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, go into Settings. Now click on Bluetooth and tap on this switcher next to Bluetooth feature in order to activate it. Then click on one of your available devices that you wish to connect to. In my case, this one. Lastly, select Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to do the same. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you wish to disconnect them, click on the same icon next to the device and choose Unpair. To connect to the same one, disable Bluetooth, then turn it back on. Click on your device and select Pair again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!